Hey guys, Josh Diggs here from the Boathouse of Port Charlotte. Right now I'm on the 232 Open by Sportsman boats, and I just want to point out a couple awesome features on this boat that make it great for the Southwest Florida / Charlotte Harbor area. Up at the bow here, you got your windlass equipped with switching here. U-shaped seating. Cushions are off now, but this does come with cushions. This is going to be the Polar White by Sportsman boats. Got a very clean finish to it. A little cooler underneath the forward facing helm seat here. Moving back, you are going to notice fuel fill here, but wait, there is another one on the other side. One single tank though. Integrated D tubing by Sportsman boats, powder coated white. Nice grab handle here. In the back of the boat here, as you see, you got plenty of room for those days. Lots of people are on the boat when you're fishing, so you could stay in. When you're not, pull her out, and then two people could sit comfortably on the back of the boat. You got your aquarium style live well. Access in and out of the boat on the port side. This boat's going to be powered by that 300 Yamaha, and this boat does have Seakeeper Ride integrated into the hull. Again, this is Josh Diggs with the Boathouse of Port Charlotte. If you guys have any questions on this boat, come stop by or just give us a call. Feel free to subscribe, like, and comment on our social media platforms. And I look forward to seeing you out on the water.